You ready?
Yeah, whenever.
Action. We're going back to the 90s! Oh, let's just stop doing the filthy Frank voice, didn't I? Time to go back to the 90s, baby! Yeah!
Yo! Basically, this video's got swear words in, and it kind of makes sense to leave them in on this because it's a real E36. Oh, so if you don't like swearing, just mute it and keep watching. Cheers, bye.
Tell me when.
Whenever you want.
Said it would happen, didn't I? You were gonna be like, oh, now he bought another car, he hasn't finished the Civic. Well, guess what? This is what I wanted, and I've wanted this car for, I'd say, a year and a bit. This exact car. Bought it off my mate. What's up, Wes? Cheers, bro. Right. Cheers, bro. Bought it off Wes. Got a very good deal, I think. So yeah, when I sold my last one, I did say this. I'd probably actually go as far as say I'll buy another one of these one day. I just hope I can find that clip. We're back with another one. This is better than my last one, and it cost me less. How about that? How about that? Let's have a look, Zach. Oh, sorry. Hang on. Zach's on the camera today. Well, thank you for helping me. Thank you, I appreciate you. Okay, cool. So, this is my new R-Reg. 1998, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah? M Sport 328i. Result. I am over the moon with this car. It's got some problems. It's not like problematic like this problematic. We're talking like minuscule problems, which we already have a couple of parts to sort this beautiful masterpiece of a whip. Actually, I need to shut that garage because I don't want to see what's in it. This is for next week, so make sure you've hit the subscribe button because this is cool, but that is hilarious. So just I don't know, we'll see. I question my own self. It is a Boston Green M Sport. Beautiful with the amber lights that I don't like. But we'll run them for now because I'm being cheap. And we've got the corroded but wonderful wheels. I think they're BBS's. I think they're splits. Don't know completely, but I think they are legit BBS splits from BMW back in the day. As you come around here, you'll see bodywork wise, it's actually really good for a 1998. Minimal rust on the outside too. We have a scratch here, which is very annoying. A tiny, ooh, I think I just hit puberty. Dent just there. A little tiny bit of rust down there, but it's like so tiny I don't care. Then as we come around here, we're missing an M badge from the trim. We've got another little dent just there, but it's all character in it. And if we go back round to where we were, because I forgot to mention something, so we come around here with me. We have a collapsed suspension, which is okay because the kind people at Yellow Speed Europe have hooked me up with a set of coilovers for this. So the next video you see on this will be us fitting coilovers to it. It's a great car, it runs fantastic. Would you like to have a look in the interior? Yeah, cool. So it has the full black leather with the wood trim on the dash, and it's sick. It's got like a wooden gear knob look and a wooden dash and stuff, and it's old and it's cool, and it's just a vibe. And it's got 99,000 miles on it, which is nothing. And yeah, what do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the whip. I really like it. I've been driving it around the last few days. It's all insured, really cheap to insure because I'm old as shit now. Love that, positives of age. And yeah, I don't know, I just think it's cool, and do you know what? Ask me why I bought it, Zach.
Why'd you buy it?
No idea. I don't know. It was a good deal.
Fair.
This one wasn't funny one. It wasn't like one of those things that was like that. It wasn't like a, oh, it's funny, I'm gonna buy that. Don't laugh. But this, I just basically, Wes has had this car for a long time. He got it when I got my old one. And at one point, there was me, Pete and Wes all with Boston Green E36s, and this was the nicest one out of the three. And I saw it, and I jokingly around said to Wes like a year ago, I want to buy it, or a year and a half ago, can I buy it? And he said, no. And then he said, yes. So I said, when? And then we agreed, and then it took about 18 months, because it's Wes I was dealing with. And yeah, I finally have it, and I'm very happy with what I paid. I'm happy that I've got the coilovers to go straight on, so thank you so much, Yellow Speed Europe. If anybody's interested in Yellow Speed coilovers, you can actually DM me. I'm a fully legit authorised retailer of them, and I'll do you a lovely, lovely price. Good price, good price. Ask me what I've done to it, Zach.
What have you done to it?
I had it cleaned by the chaps down locally that do it for 16 quid in and out. Bargain.
Not bad.
I fitted a wonderful 621 decal that the lovely people out there watching this video who want to support the channel and support the business can go and cop one right now. I'll actually put a little, no I won't put a discount code in. They're cheap anyway, just don't be tight. What else have we done? I put an iPhone lead in there. Pretty proud of that. iPhone lead in the whip. Other than that, I've just been enjoying it. And shall I show you under the hood? Shall I pop the hood? Got the HODs. I don't like them, but they'll do. I'm not changing them. Can't be bothered. It's way too much effort. It's very relatively clean for a 98. Still got a tax disc. See that? Look. Still got a tax disc. When's the last time you seen one of them? I'm leaving it in. That's sick. But yeah, I honestly, like, I'm over the moon. I've also bought a little modification for it already, which is the little additional plastic front lip thing, because this one's missing it. You see, like down there, it's got no little like cool little spiky lip on it, so I wanted one of those. £26 on eBay. Ooh, lovely jubbly. So yeah, I might get a new front BMW badge for it, but ask me what the plans are, Zach.
No.
I'm gonna tell you anyway. So what the plans are is to just enjoy it, if I'm honest. I really wanted a manual, nice car that wasn't a fully stripped out, no power steering piece of machinery like the Civic is, to actually use on the road. And yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted a car that I could go and be like, oh, there's a track day evening on. Cool. I'll drive up there in my nice car, send it, and then drive it home, hopefully with no issues. Please, touch the wood grain. So yeah, that's basically it. Front lip, coilovers, maybe a new set of nice spicy wheels eventually. Maybe we'll do a 5 or 114 swap on it so we can run some Japanese wheels, because why wouldn't you? It's sick. Right? Any affirmation here, Zach, would be great.
Yeah.
You are like, why does everyone that helps me film just judge everything I do? Just look at how nice it is. It's super cool. Like, if you just see this out and about, you're like, oh damn, that's a clean old whip. And that's what I was like, that's a clean old whip. I want it. It needs the cam angle sensor changing, apparently. Oh, also there is a big problem with it. Have a look at the roof. From the inside. It needs, oh my voice. It needs a roof lining. But I can't tell you what my plans are yet until I launch the videos next week. So you'll have to just subscribe, I think. How about it? Hit that subscribe button. Something so tight. Share the love. I could be dead next week. Help me out. I'm getting desperate. Like, I'm literally getting desperate. Zach, help, please. I don't know if I can do this much longer. Oh, God. Real quick as well, I've actually renamed my podcast again, even though I never filmed anything or recorded anything with it. It's just going to be called the Adam Marvel Podcast now, because I just thought that way we can talk about everything instead of just cars, because although cars are all I ever talk about, it'd be cool to expand and just chat some shit, I guess. So if you want to subscribe to my podcast on the Anchor thing, I upload it to Anchor, so it should be across everything. I'll try and film some stuff, because I'm lonely and I have nothing to do in the evenings, so I'll just do an upload whenever I can, and we'll just talk some shit. Sometimes we'll get some guests on, sometimes we won't. How's that sound? I don't know anymore. These videos, I'm broken. I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, I think this is a lovely car. What do you think, Zach?
Yeah, it's nice.
It is a nice car. You said that by biting. You're like, yeah, it's nice. Like, you're just squeezing something positive out. But I appreciate the positivity. No matter what guise it's in. But other than me thinking it's beautiful, basically it. When Vicky gets here, we'll take it out for a little drive, just so you can see how it runs, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't run like shit this time. Oh, it's been great since I've had it, like, straight up. Yeah, other than the coilovers that we've definitely got, I might get an exhaust for it as well, but I don't want to wreck this car. I don't want to strip the interior out. I don't want to overdo it. Saying this, you know, in 2 weeks it'll be stripped out of the roll cage, innit?
It's gonna be a shit heap.
Why do I ruin everything I have?
Because you're bored and lonely.
It's not wrong.
Sorry, mate.
Don't be sorry, it's my existence. It's just it is what it is. Like, oh dear. But anyway, team, I hope you like the whip. We'll take it out in a second. It's not actually meant to be dirty. I've just been doing some photos sat on the roof. So Zach looks a bit different all of a sudden. This is Vicky. This is Vicky. She's the girl responsible for me buying that stupid camper van, by the way. So if you're not happy with the camper van, it's her fault. But everyone seems to like the camper van, so that's cool, I guess. We're just out now for a little drive. Just wanted to show you that. There you go, Vic. It works.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
It's another unnecessary car, but whatever.
I have no one to stop me buying these things. Do you understand? This is terrible. I really like it. Leather seats.
Doesn't smell.
It doesn't smell. It's good. It's it's lovely. I don't really know what to say. I thought we should at least take it out for a little drive. It's not that fast, but it's not exactly slow. It's a BMW E36 328i. What do you want me to say? I don't know, Vic. I don't know what to say. It's just a BMW. I don't know.
Where you've got this car.
You don't know why I've got it.
No.
I don't know why I've got it. Somehow, I don't know what's going on, man.
I thought we were going out in the blue one.
Don't tell him about the blue one yet. That's a secret for next week. I'll tell you why I actually bought this. I'm having a crisis and I don't know what to do, so I'm just buying things to make myself happy. There, I said it. I fill my loneliness with material objects. But they're cool material objects that won't lose money, which is the best thing about it. But anyway, we'll head back to the garage now. We'll do a little wrap up, because this is only going to be like a jokey fun video to show you anyway. And yeah, then we're going to go get some food. So yeah, that's the plan. It's cool, cheers. Bye. Bye. I don't think it skids either. Do you see?
Oh my god.
Nah, one way we need a diff. So that's that. Another random car that I definitely didn't need, but I'm definitely going to enjoy for a little while. This is definitely my favourite one I've bought in a long time, and being dead serious for a minute without the stupidness, like E36s are fantastic. They're brilliant all-round cars for anybody that wants to do like track days, drifting, just nice cruises on a weekend. These are brilliant. The 328 ones are fantastic engines as well, and I think they look amazing. They're one of my favourite looking cars that came out of the 90s, and because this was really cheap, I just thought, do you know what, let's do it for a little while. I may end up selling it at some point, but who cares? Life's too short to worry about all this sort of stuff. So I just want to have fun, and currently having fun. So yeah, if you like the look of the car, leave me a little comment down below, leave a like on the video just to show some love or whatever, and subscribe if you haven't already, and maybe check out another one of my videos. You might like it. Right, see you later on, guys. Peace.